South Philadelphia, where the legs would turn. Young Vincent Duca had a lesson to learn. Not marching or protocol, but the rhythm and noise. He heard failing compressors and the different pitch of alloys. When the war called him up, they saw his mind's design. Exceptional auditory pattern recognition, a gift truly fine. He was sent to the radar shack, where most just watched the screen. But Vinny put the headphones on and listened to what it means. He cataloged the patterns ignored by the other side. Said, "Chief, every object has a voice in the dark night." The ocean was black as oil in April of '43. The USS Eldridge sailing toward destiny. He heard a sound that was wrong in the audio return. Electromagnetic echoes, a lesson he'd learned. It was a stuttering pulse, a flutter of variance in the interval between the mass displacement of U-boats, invisible but keenly seen. No, he didn't need the sonar. He could hear the deep, he could hear the shape of the ocean while others slept. The convoy HX-27, 47 ships in tow. They steamed toward the black pit, where the U-boats strike below. He heard that texture again, northwest range 15,000 yards. The same haunting rhythm that tore the Iceland convoy apart. Crushing all the guards, protocol said, log it and move on. Radar cannot pierce the wave, but Vinny threw his headphones down, determined to save. He ran to the bridge, Lieutenant Commander Garrison in doubt. Sir, multiple contacts, they're circling about. Garrison looked at the manual, then at the young man's eyes. He knew the ocean didn't follow the book beneath the churning skies. Helm heading 320, flank speed, sound general quarters. The alarm shrieked loud as the destroyer cut the water black. Vinny adjusted the game, there was no turning back. 3 distinct sources plotted by his ear, a classic wolf pack formation, positioning right here. The Brennan reported contact, faint but definite. Garrison's chest felt tight. All escorts, weapons free, execute operation observant. They began the fight, depth charges roared. A hull broke through the surface spray. 2 confirmed kills, 1 probable, saving convoy HX-237. That day he didn't use his eyes, he used the rhythm and the hum, proving what they said was impossible had truly come. The technique was a coasted radar analysis, a top secret decree. It changed submarine warfare for all the world to see. 27 subs detected, that sonar had missed. The U-boat threat receded, though Vinny never kissed a medal for his service. They feared the Germans knew. He went home a machinist, like he always planned to do. But his pattern recognition was studied by the engineers, a biological computer calming all the Navy's fears. When they asked him the secret, he shook his tired head. It's just paying attention, listening to what's been said. Don't let other people's limitations become yours. His contribution measured not in medals, but in ships that made it home through the wars. Just the courage to act when the manual says you're wrong. The quiet radar man who heard the ocean sigh.